First question, big picture, has the Hamptons home market fully bounced back from the crisis?
Absolutely. It bounced back maybe a year and a half ago.
Yeah?
Yeah.
But I got a chart from you guys showing that average home prices are still not back to where they were in 2007.
No, they're back. But the problem with the Hamptons is there's not a lot of transactions because it's a small amount of properties. So if you have a quarter where you sold one house that was $20 million in the quarter and you don't have it in the same quarter, it'll throw the numbers all off. You have to kind of look at the whole year.
All right. And what are the strongest pockets of the market? You know, we used to hear that the $5 to $10 million potato field McMansion in Sagaponack, that market had collapsed because bankers weren't getting bonuses the way they used to.
I would say the strongest part of the market now is about the $1 to $5 million.
Okay.
$1 to $6 million, right around there, which is not the ultra high end, but I mean it's high every place else.
Yeah.
I would say that's probably the strongest part of the market, the very ultra high end. You know, usually in the summer they take a little hiatus, and those take a little bit longer to sell, but it's pretty brisk. The rental market's probably the best year ever, and we had the average sales price, I believe, is $1.7 million, and it's the highest it's been in like 7 years.
Wow. All right, I want to talk about this super top, including this incredible former beachfront pad of Andy Warhol. I've actually seen the property myself. It's right on the water there in Montauk. It is stunning. How much are you asking? Who's going to buy this thing?
Well, actually, it's a bargain.
Okay.
Okay, for $85 million, because it's on 30 acres of oceanfront, but there's 300 acres of preserve, which means nobody can build anything there. So it's basically like paying for 30 acres, but you have 330 acres. And it's all on the ocean, and there's two barns that were built by Carl Fisher, who originally did Miami and was trying to make Montauk the Miami on the East Coast. And there's 6 homes, but it's not like one big McMansion.
No.
It's kind of the biggest house.
It's not like Ira Rennert's place.
No, it's a whole different deal. And the biggest one is probably about 3,400 square feet. There's 6 of them, and there's a gym, and you can ride horses, and it was a fishing village. You know, people fish there. It is, I don't think there's anything that you can compare it to.
No.
And, of course, you've been to Montauk, so that ocean front is like no other.
No, and I've never heard of 300 acres in the Hamptons being on the market as a preserve. Say I can't swing $85 million. I'm more in the market for a $40 million home. What can I get? Southampton, you've got one?
Oh, yeah. You can get, look, $40 million. You can get great South. You could probably get waterfront. I just did an oceanfront for all my children.
How about this house we're showing right now? This is your $40 million Southampton compound.
Well, that's a whole compound in Southampton. It's magnificent. It's in the heart of the most exquisite part of Southampton. And that's gorgeous. You can get something for maybe $20 million on the ocean if you go to Quag. It really depends on what part of the Hamptons. But I consider the Hamptons and oceanfront property to be like Monopoly, Boardwalk and Park Place.
Yeah.
There's only so much of it. It's limited. You can build and change a house, but you can't change that. And second homes are on the rise.
Yeah.
And I think we're going to see more foreigners in the Hamptons. I'm starting to see that.
I wonder if the stronger dollar affects them. Dottie Herman, we will leave it there. Thank you so much. Dottie Herman, the president and CEO of Douglas Elliman. Appreciate your time.